Hello, welcome back my friends. Today I'm showing you how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to your Phantom wallet, a slick way to move your Ethereum to a wallet that supports Solana, Ethereum and more. It's a straightforward process and I'll guide you through step by step. First, of course, ensure your Phantom wallet is ready. Grab it from phantom.app. It's available as a browser extension as well, or a mobile app. Set up a new wallet or log in into existing one and save your recovery phrase somewhere secure. That's your lifeline. In Phantom, click Ethereum under your assets, then Receive to copy your Ethereum address. You'll need this very soon. Next, open the Binance app or head to binance.com and sign in. Go to your wallet, it's under Spot or Overview depending on your view. Find Ethereum in your asset list. Make sure you've got enough Ethereum to cover the transfer and Binance's withdrawal fee, which is usually around 0.0005 Ethereum. After that, click on Withdraw. Next to Ethereum, in the address field, paste your Phantom wallet's Ethereum address. Double check every character because a mistake here means your Ethereum is gone for good. Set the network to Ethereum, ERC20 network. Phantom supports Ethereum's main net for Ethereum, so don't pick anything else like BEP20 or Solana SPL or it won't work. After that, confirm the transfer, enter the amounts of Ethereum you want to send, leave a little extra for fee, hit withdraw, and Binance will show you the total cost. Verify it, then punch in your two-factor authentication code, and once submit, Binance will process it. Ethereum transfers can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Back in Phantom, watch your Ethereum balance. It'll update once the blockchain confirms the transfer. So guys, that's it. Your Ethereum's now in Phantom wallets, ready for DeFi, NFTs, or whatever you're into. Always triple check addresses and networks to stay safe. Did it work for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.